Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Bonu from Incredibox Sprunki. So first let's get started with our eye on the left hand side, and we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle. Let's leave a small gap moving over on the right, and we're just going to replicate that. Moving in towards the top of both eyes now, we're going to draw in a curved line. And then moving underneath for the pupil, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle, connecting that from left to right. Now in the middle, on the bottom for the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then from here underneath, let's draw in an arch line. And then in the center, we're going to draw in a straight line across. Now in the middle, connecting both eyes together, we're going to draw in a small arch line on the top and on the bottom. And then moving around that again, let's replicate that one more time. Now let's move around our head. As we come down on the bottom, we're going to draw in a small circle on the right hand side. And then we're going to move over on the left, moving up slightly and replicating that. Let's move up again on a diagonal, drawing in another circle on both sides, just leaving an even amount of space in between each one as we come up. Moving up on a diagonal, again, we're going to draw in another circle. And then one more time. In our gap directly in the middle now, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching this around, bringing that back in at a point. And then in the center of this, we're just going to draw in a small circle. Now from here, we're going to close this off by drawing in a circle, connecting all of the dots here. So as we come all the way around, we're going to continue to curve this around, creating a nice big circle. And we're going to continue to do this as we come up on the left. Now from the center, we're going to draw in a straight line directly up and then directly down on the bottom. Let's draw in a diagonal line coming out from the bottom of our eyes. We'll draw in a diagonal line coming out sideways from our eyes. And then as we move up in this open space, now we're going to draw in the dollar sign symbol. So on the top here on a diagonal, we'll draw a straight line coming up. We'll leave a gap coming down on the right, opposite that, replicating that. We're going to close this off from left to right with an arch line. We'll do the same thing in the opposite direction on the bottom. On the top now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming up. We'll do the same on the bottom, just leaving a small gap. Now on both sides, we're just going to arch this line around and then in. On this bottom line, we're going to curve this line down and then back up. We will do the same on the top. Now from here, we're going to arch this line down, back in, and then we'll do the same on the bottom, just curving that down in the opposite direction. Now from here, moving up on the top of the head, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out on the right, and then we'll move over on the left and replicate that. And we're just going to end this at roughly the same height. Now from here, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming down on both sides. And then again from that point, just bringing this line all the way down towards the bottom. Now from here in the corner, we're just going to draw in another diagonal line coming in on both sides. Now let's move directly over towards the side of the head. On the top, we're going to draw a straight line coming out, matching that at the same height on the left, replicating that. We're going to move down in the middle, drawing in another straight line, extending this further out so it ends on a diagonal. And then we're going to move down on the bottom, drawing in another straight line coming all the way across, ending these two at the same height. And then now we're just going to connect these all together. So on the side, we're going to close this off with a straight line, creating a long rectangle. And then from corner to corner, we're just going to draw a diagonal line, bringing that in. Now let's draw in the bodies. On the left and right hand side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down towards the bottom of our page. And then from here, just drawing in a curved line from left to right. In the center now, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then again, back in the middle, we're just going to draw in another circle. And that is it. That's how you draw Bonu Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.